don't mind my messiness. I mixed up 16 ounces of resin. I'm going to put 8 in this cup, and okay, so I'm using this chrome red for this right here. And then this here, I'm gonna put these foam balls in and the lights. And we're making a gumball machine. My family does the alphabet. We're on G this year. Everybody buys something with the letter G. Or get something, gifts something with the letter G. And I almost put the red right in there. So I think this bottom takes about 8 ounces. So I'm going to pour 8 ounces in here. And I'm going to pour some resin in here. These balls were so hilarious to try to, just to get out of the package. You wouldn't believe they're so staticky. I'm sure if anybody's worked with these foam balls before, they know. If you know, you know. So we'll let that seep in there. Let's get the red mixed in here. So I'm gonna speed this up for time purposes. Okay, let's move these over. And let's get my lights in there. Let's get these lights in there. I don't even know if they're gonna, if this will even work, but we're gonna cram them in there any which way, just so they're everywhere. And then we'll start putting the balls in. Got lots of balls. We got lots of balls here. One light hanging out here. Get in there, light. Oh, let's see if we can get these balls going. I hope they'll go around the lights. That's what I'm hoping. Watch me have way too many balls. I guess I'll make a smaller one, huh? Let's try and get the wire in the middle. Look at this mess I'm making here. Lord have mercy, I'm gonna need more balls. I thought I had enough balls, but I don't have enough balls. And look at the mess I'm making. I'm dripping it everywhere. Lordy. Alright. Let's see. Let's see where we're at here. Okay. We do need some more balls. Just want a small opening and go down inside the and now I got balls everywhere again. Use this, I guess, make another little ball. Okay, so we're back. Here's the base to the gumball machine. And here's the gumball jar. Turned out really cute. I'm going to use just the tip of the one mold right there. And then I'm going to pour some red in that and put the ball on there to give it a little rim on the base of it. So the first thing first, I'm going to mix up some silver, and I'm going to pour all these little gadget pieces to make the parts to my gumball machine. So I over poured them a little bit, and I'm just putting the stick on there and pulling out a little bit of resin so that they're not completely overflowing here. Hard to get in them little tiny crevices. Alright, so now I'm going to mix up my red again. I'm going to pour the little top of the gumball machine. And then we're going to pour in that little mold there. And we're going to put our gumball machine top right down in there. And now we're back. We're going to demold. See how that worked? And this little piece. And I end up making a little round piece to go underneath that. And then all my little mechanical pieces. And we have to decide what we're going to use to put on the gumball machine. That's why I went ahead and did the whole mold, because I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to use. So now I'm just trying different things, seeing what I think will work. Then I get out the E6000 and I start gluing everything together. Need to get this gumball machine completely finished. So I'm going to get this all glued together, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the final results. And here it is. And on the little one, I used a little flower pot from Dollar Tree and painted it. And a water bottle cap to do the top. Of course, the little gear pieces that I made, and put the little gear pieces on the big one, and the other little pieces that I made to put on the top of that, and the lights, and it turned out so cute. I'm so happy with them, and I had so much fun making this. I laughed so hard with those balls. They're so full of static. They go everywhere. They were all over my hands, the table, the cup, the sticks. But oh my goodness, I had such a blast. And I've had so much fun making gifts for my kids this year. If you miss my beautiful friends, August Acrylic Art and Creations with Tanya, please go back and watch them. And we won't be here next Monday because we're going to be joining Venom Fluid Art for the Fluid Art Express Christmas special. You don't want to miss out. There's going to be a lot of beautiful, wonderful artists there. It starts at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, December 21st. And we hope to see you there. And then we'll be back after the new year. See you then. Bye-bye.